I'm going to mix in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And 1 cup of breadcrumbs. I'm going to sprinkle on 1 teaspoon of thyme. And 1 teaspoon of dried basil. One teaspoon of salt. And a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And mix this around a little bit. I'm going to sprinkle 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. And put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Okay, the ground chicken has been cooking for about 5 minutes. It's brown, I don't see any pink, so we'll turn the heat off and set this aside until the zucchini and eggplant have finished cooking. Okay, I happen to have some fresh basil and some mushrooms, so I'm going to add this to the casserole. I cut 4 tomatoes in half, and I'm going to grate the juice from the tomato skin. Chicken. Stir this around. I'm going to sprinkle a half a cup of Parmesan cheese on top. And 1 cup of cheddar cheese. This is also mixed with Munster cheese. Cheddar cheese will be fine. And I'm going to stick this in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. Okay, so this just finished cooking for 20 minutes at 350. Okay, let's give this a try. That's good.